So let's look at our Obers and a couple different variations here, okay? So patient will be side lying, bottom hip and knee flexed, just like a Lewin Gainson's, face them. Flex it up a little bit more. There you go. Keep this one straight. Okay. There you go. Dance with me. There you go. All right. Doctor stabilizes the hip and keeps the pelvis perpendicular to the table. You want to make sure he stays up here. So sometimes I have the patient do this. And say, hold your upper body in that position. That helps keep them in a perpendicular position. They just hold the edge of the table, okay? Then the doctor ABD abducts, lifts in the coronal plane, the thigh via the ankle, and hyperextends the thigh about 10 degrees. At this point, there's about 3 different ways to do this, okay? With the knee flexed is the first 2, and then with the leg straight is the last one, okay? So, we'll come up here. We'll flex. Actually, it's easier to squeeze down a little bit. Slightly extended. Now this takes out a lot of the band, the iliotibial band, the fascial band, and puts a little more of the support on the TFL itself. You can also do this, which is the second part. See if there's any lag in the drop, okay? We want to extend it just a little bit more. There we go. Pull it up here, there you go. And drop, make sure it doesn't hit the other side, okay? So that's looking for that contracture. The other part is with the leg straight. And this is the one where I get him to kind of hold the leg up. Can you hold the leg up? Good. Let go. And lower it slowly, okay? If it was in a contracted state, what would it do?
Stay up.
It would stay up, yeah. Okay, it would be really hard for him to let go and lower it down, okay? So this is Obers, all right? So a couple different variations. So the first one was the knee flex. This is supported to take out the IT band and just focus on the TFL itself. Some start by taking the hip into full abduction first. Averages are around 10 degrees for males and 8 degrees for females of adduction. That mostly has to do with the coxa angle of the hip, okay? Originally used to examine the hip joint pathology and trochanteric bursitis again. Trochanteric bursitis is going to be pretty much right on top here. Treated a guy at the VA for that. I actually needled that. With the knee flexed, supporting the ankle at the same level as the hip. With the femur in line with the body, the thigh should drop or adduct. That was the little drop I was dropping with the knee, okay? You may need to support the knee as it adducts so it does not do so abruptly. It doesn't hurt them. With the leg straight, consider many times in a lot of literature is modified Obers, aka posterior adduction test, ITB stretch test. Average norms there are about 17 degrees for males and about 15 degrees for females, okay? So stand up real quick, we'll do Trundle.